Hi guys, good morning. What is today? Wednesday? Why did I think today was Tuesday? I'm just losing my mind. Anyways, so I've been up since 6:30. It's 7:20 right now. I finally got my cell phone back, so I didn't talk about it in a vlog, but Josh basically broke his phone and has had my cell phone. And we ended up switching to Verizon, so I got the same phone, of course, just a different color, a white one. And then Josh got the Samsung Note 10. So yeah, that's what's going on. So I'm happy to get my phone back. Today, me and Maddie are gonna go hang out with a friend of mine. I haven't seen her since like October because we kind of had like a fallout, and then we're friends again. Well, we like started being friends again in like January, and then like the whole COVID stuff happened, and you know, all that. So we're gonna hang out today. I'm gonna meet her new baby boy. I'm so excited. Yeah. I'm really excited just to hang out with her, just because like me and her clicked really good, and like we always have. So, and I'm just excited to meet her new baby and give her a gift. I bought her a gift. But yeah, so I want to show you guys what I got to help further my YouTube. I feel like a real YouTuber now. Just kidding, I'm retarded. I'm dumb, but I feel like I'll feel like a real YouTuber, like when I get like more interactions on my vlogs. There we go. But yeah, I just do it as a hobby. That's why I don't upload all the time, because I just like to like enjoy it. I don't want to feel like I don't enjoy it, you know, like I don't want to like overdo it and not end up liking it, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, let me show you guys what I got from Best Buy. So yesterday I intentionally only went for a tripod because I had one of those Jovi ones or something like that, like a small one. I did have a big one before, but I got it off of Amazon for like 20 bucks and it broke. So I just used like my small one. But this time I wanted to get a good quality big one because I'm tired of spending money on stuff that just doesn't last. So I intentionally just went there to get a tripod, and then I walked out with something else. I seen it. What's that one TikTok? I seen it. I want it. I got it. That's legit what it was. So, yeah, I got something. I'm going to show you guys. And I'm actually excited about it because it looks very good quality. Not something like I've tried looking on Amazon for this item, and all the ones I seen just didn't look like good quality, but this one looks really good and it was affordable. So yeah, let me show you guys everything I got from Best Buy. Okay, excuse these boxes. Those are all trash. Oh my god, I gotta go take the trash outside. Okay, these I have to, what do you call it? Go through and put away. These are mine. Well, that one goes in the kitchen, but these three are my boxes that I have to go through, and I'm not looking forward to it. Anyways, so let me show you guys what the heck I got. So, this is a tripod I got. It looks super good and durable and like high quality. It should be because it was like $80. But I wanted something that's not gonna freaking drop my camera, because the camera I have is expensive. It was like almost $1,000. So like I'm like, I need something to support it that is gonna take really good care of it. So I got this. It was $80, and I can't wait to use it. And also we're gonna be taking family photos soon. I'm gonna try to take ours, but if I can't, I'm just gonna hire somebody. But yeah, so this is the one I got, and it's a 70-inch one. 70-inch heavy duty tripod. So you can get it at Best Buy. And then I was needing one of these really bad, because I kept on losing my, why isn't this focusing? I kept on losing my SD cards a lot, so I was like, and because I would put them in like this little sleeve, and then finally I was like, I just need to get one of these. It's 12 bucks, like, what the heck? It's not gonna, like, break the bank. Like, so yeah, I got this, and yeah, that's what I came with. I might put like a little decal on it with my initials or something. I don't know. So I got this. And this is what I didn't mean to buy, but I bought it because I wanted to get a ring light for so long for sit down videos, because I love doing sit down videos. So I was like, I need to get a ring light, but I wasn't planning on getting one or seeing one, or didn't even know that they had any in stock. And I went in and there were like 10 of them. And I was like, oh my god, I gotta grab one now. And it was only $70. When I was looking at ring lights on Amazon, they were like 100 up. So I was like, I need to get this. And it's actually by the same brand. So very affordable, and it does look like really good quality. So let's go ahead and open these up so I can show you guys. Let's open the tripod first because I could use this as a stand when I open this. Yeah, see, look how durable that is. Look at the like little cushion on the side. The one I got from Amazon was literally like super thin, and so how it broke is Josh like dropped it and stepped on it and it bent like so fast. And then it has this strap on the side, which I think is super cool and handy, and I love it. It was definitely worth the money. So let's screw this on so I can use it to open this. Okay, so it has this remote, so let's turn that on, and this is what it looks like. So you could adjust it. So that's medium. I like it. Overall, I'm sorry guys, I'm like so tired. I was running up and down the stairs. I like it a lot. I would definitely use it for sit down videos. Obviously not with my contacts in. But yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some stuff on my computer. And yeah. Okay guys, so I'm finally home. Thank you, baby Jesus. And yeah, what am I gonna do? Honestly, I really love this tripod because I feel like it helps out so much. There we go. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna edit a video real quick. And hang out. Maybe I could organize my desk. So I'm dumb. So when I was like, oh yeah, there's 2 packages that are coming, blah blah blah. So the 2 packages, no, they're not coming until the 22nd. What was supposed to come today, well, and I thought was supposed to be today, was my, what do you call it? What is it called? My IKEA desk. For some reason, I thought my IKEA desk was getting delivered on the 22nd, and the other stuff was getting delivered today. But no, it's like the other way around. So my IKEA desk will be here tomorrow, not today. I don't know why I thought it was today. My IKEA desk will be here tomorrow, and so it'll be here tomorrow. I'm super excited. It'll be the Alex desk. That's the desk I've been wanting, and I'm just excited because it's really nice, and I can't wait for Josh to set it up for me. It'll legit like complete this office look, I feel like. And then, of course, when I get the drawer in, that'll be really nice. But now I'm trying to think, where the hell am I going to put this desk at? So I haven't thought about that yet, which I should. It's easy to take down, so that won't be an issue. I'm just like, I don't know. I can put it in the basement, maybe? Or, yeah. That's all I'm thinking right now. Alright guys, I was going to film a video today, but this literally took me 3 hours to build. I have my desk, my Alex desk, and I'm not looking forward to it because I have a feeling it's going to take twice as longer. So unfortunately I won't be able to do the reveal today, and I didn't vlog it because I was just like not in the mood, to be honest. I kind of got like really pissed off. Let me tell you, this IKEA shit is not, it's not it for me. It looks very nice and great quality, but like the process is just not worth it to me. Yeah, it's been nothing but a headache. Anyways, I'm just trying to get things organized so I can make some room, because tonight I think I'm going to do the wallpaper I'm doing. I don't know if I'm going to do what I originally wanted to do, because I don't know if the wood I got is right. I don't know. Just a lot's going through my mind right now. So yeah, Josh said he'll help me with the desk. But honestly, like, I have a feeling I'm going to do that all tonight because I'm just really impatient. Yeah. And tomorrow I want to film a video and all that good stuff. And tomorrow I also want to do some, like, what is it called? Like, I want to, here's my cat, look at me. Like, do some DIY stuff, like paint Maddie's stuff, do some staining on some things, stuff like that. I'm just trying to clean up all this clutter right here because it's just a disaster. I'm trying to organize. I'm tired of like this being all dirty. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, so that's what's going on right now. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I can't wait to have all of my stuff finally put together. It's definitely gonna help out so much. What is this for? Based on, oh, that's probably trash. But yeah, and I can't wait for my desktop to get in. That I'm definitely looking forward to because I won't have to like be bringing my computer up all the time. Like, it's kind of a pain to bring my computer. Like, if I leave it downstairs, I have to like remember to always bring it up or for it to always be charged. I miss having my desktop because it was way easier for me to just do stuff on it, especially like work things. So yeah, I got like super ready today because I thought I was gonna do a video and I didn't, so that's always nice. I also want to get started on Maddie's dollhouse. This is all trash, guys, so that's really fun. But yeah, so I just wanted to catch you guys up. Hopefully tomorrow hopefully the room will be done.